The AirPort Extreme is a residential gateway product from Apple Incorporated combining the functionality of a router, network switch, wireless access point and NAS as well as varied other functions. The latest model, the 6th generation, supports 802.11ac networking in addition to older standards. Versions of the same system with a built-in network-accessible hard drive are known as the AirPort Time Capsule. The name AirPort Extreme originally referred to any one of Apple's AirPort products that implemented the newly introduced 802.11g Wi-Fi standard, differentiating it from earlier devices that ran the slower 802.11a and b standards. At that time the gateway part of this lineup was known as the AirPort Extreme base station. With the addition of the even faster Draft N standards in early 2009 this naming was dropped, and from then on only the gateway has been known as the AirPort Extreme. Several minor upgrades followed, mostly to change antenna and power in the Wi-Fi. In 2013, a major upgrade added 802.11ac support and more internal antennas. The AirPort Extreme has gone through 3 distinct physical forms. The earliest models were packaged similar to the original AirPort base station, in a round housing known as the Flying Saucer. From 2007 to 2013 the Extreme was packaged in a rounded rectangle white plastic housing, similar in layout and size to the Mac Mini or earlier Apple TVs. The 2013 802.11ac model was repackaged into a more vertical case, taller than it is square. Features, Overview, fully featured 802.11n Wi-Fi base station, sleep proxy service, 4 Ethernet ports all ports a gigabit Ethernet on newer versions, USB interface for disk and printer sharing, built-in file server, runs VxWorks operating system by Wind River, AirPort Disk. The AirPort Disk feature allows users to plug a USB hard drive into the AirPort Extreme for use as a network-attached storage device for Mac OS X and Microsoft Windows clients. Users may also connect a USB hub and printer. The performance of USB hard drives attached to an AirPort Extreme is slower than if the drive were connected directly to a computer. This is due to the processor speed on the AirPort Extreme. Depending on the setup and types of reads and writes, performance ranges from 0.5 to 17.5 megabytes per second for writing and 1.9 to 25.6 megabytes per second for reading. Performance for the same disk connected directly to a computer would be 6.6 to 31.6 megabytes per second for writing and 7.1 to 37.2 megabytes per second for reading. NTFS formatted drives are not supported. AirPort Extreme models by generation. Original generation. The original AirPort Extreme base station was so named because of his support for the 802.11g standard of the day, as well as for its ability to serve up to 50 Macs or PCs simultaneously. One feature found in most models of this generation was an internal 56K dial-up modem, allowing homes that lacked a broadband connection to enjoy wireless connectivity, albeit at dial-up speeds. It was the last generation to retain the Flying Saucer form factor. Later generations would adopt the short, rounded square form factor that would be seen until 2013. First generation. On January 9, 2007 the AirPort Extreme began shipping. Second generation. On March 19, 2008, Apple released a firmware update for both models of the AirPort Extreme that according to third-party reports allows AirPort disks to be used in conjunction with Time Machine, similar to the functionality provided by AirPort Time Capsule. This behavior is not officially supported. Third generation. On March 3, 2009, Apple unveiled a new AirPort Extreme with simultaneous dual-band 802.11 Draft N radios. This allows full 802.11 Draft N2x2 communication in both 802.11 Draft N bands at the same time. Fourth generation. On October 20, 2009, Apple unveiled an updated AirPort Extreme with antenna improvements. Fifth generation. On June 21, 2011, Apple unveiled an updated AirPort Extreme, referred to as AirPort Extreme 802.11n. The detailed table of output power comparison between the 4th generation model MC340LLA and the 5th generation model MD031LLA can be seen below. 6th generation. On June 10, 2013, Apple unveiled an updated AirPort Extreme, referred to as AirPort Extreme 802.11 AC. The 6th generation AirPort Extreme feature a 3-stream 802.11 AC Wi-Fi technology with a maximum data rate of 1.3 Gbps, nearly 3 times faster than 802.11n. Comparison chart. 802.11n draft specification support in 1st to 3rd generation models. 802.11 AC draft specification support in 6th generation model. All models support IPv6 tunnel mode. See also, AirPort Express, AirPort Time Capsule, Notes.